My name is Jamie McDonald. I'm an attorney with McDonald Law Offices. Our firm represents individuals throughout the entire state of Arizona. Today I'm going to discuss with you what takes place during the initial appointment with one of our attorneys. The initial appointment with one of our attorneys is always free and can take place either on the phone or in one of our offices. The attorney is going to need quite a bit of information from you to determine whether bankruptcy is right for you. The attorney is going to ask you questions about the types and amounts of debts you owe. For example, do you have a home loan? If you do, how much do you owe and how much are the payments? Are the payments current? If the payments are not current, how many months are you behind? If you are behind, is there a trustee sale or foreclosure pending? If there is, what is the sale date? Do you have a vehicle loan? If you do, how much do you owe and how much are the payments? Are those payments current? If the payments are behind, how far behind are you? Do you want to keep the vehicle and continue to pay, or would you like to surrender the vehicle through the bankruptcy and have the debt discharged? The attorney will also ask you questions about taxes. For example, do you owe the IRS or the state for any back taxes? If you do, what year or years do you owe for, and approximately how much do you owe for each year? Has the return been filed for each year? Has the IRS notified you that they have a tax lien? If they have, what year or years have you been notified that a tax lien has been filed for? Do you have any student loan debt? If you do, approximately how much do you owe and how much are you paying each month? Do you have any medical debt? If you have some medical debt, approximately how much do you owe in total medical debt? What about credit card debt? If you have credit card debt, approximately how much credit card debt do you owe? Do you have any child support or spousal support obligations? If yes, how much are the monthly payments and are the payments current? If the payments are not current, approximately how much are you behind? Now keep in mind, you do not need to know the answers to all these questions about the types and amounts of debt you owe. We just want to get a ballpark. However, the more information you can provide us, the better advice we can provide you. The attorney will also ask you about your income and expenses. If possible, please have proof of your income available so we can discuss that with you. If you're coming into one of our offices, it'd be helpful if you could bring in recent pay stubs and proof of any other income like Social Security, retirement, child support, spousal support, and so on. What kind of expenses do you have? Are you renting? How much is your monthly rent? Do you pay utilities? Approximately how much do you pay per month on average? How much is your cable bill, your phone bill, your cell phone bill? Do you have any out-of-pocket monthly medical expenses that we need to be aware of? You don't need to know all this information, but the more you can provide to us, the better the information we can provide to you. And keep in mind, we're willing to talk to you even if you can only provide partial information. Our appointments are always free, and you can always schedule a second or follow-up appointment to supplement what we need to know.